good morning. We're at home this morning. A little bit of a pain on the left side, but not as bad as it used to be. I don't need painkiller as such. Jim found something yesterday. We went shopping, and it's called Sibukao or Sapan wood. That's what it is. And she made a tea out of it. Apparently it's very good for the kidneys. So I'm gonna drink that. Also I'm drinking another kind of tea. This one here from New Zealand. And of course I got all my medication from the doctor. I'll show you what I got. Full basket. I gotta take 60 of this. Potassium citrate. Of course I got this one here. Let me put the right way so you can read. And then I got sodium bicarbonate. And of course my antibiotics, which is about to finish. Other than that, water with lemon. I'm eating grapes, apple, all the things that are good for the kidney stone. So I hope all good in a few days. I don't want to go surgery. Oh, see how we go. Okay, let's drink this. It really tastes like wood, yeah. Tastes like my house. That barley tea is more like it's quite sweet for some reason. A lot of Filipinos take this actually. That's why Jam introduced me this product via the family. Yeah, let's see what it does. Yeah, let's have a lunch. I haven't done much today. That's my baby. She loves soup. Ah, you love soup so much.
Blue.
Mother baby too.
You like it?
I love those noodles. So it's all vegetable.
Yeah, I think you need.
That's it. Okay, that's it. Just a correction from the last video. I said this unit was made in Taiwan. It's wrong. It's made in Philippines. It's got 5-year warranty. So see how we go with that. All right. And that will go right here. The bed fit will be there, so nothing will drop there. Yeah, I'm sleeping here at the moment because the girl's jumping all over me, so I can't afford that at the moment. So I'm isolated in my room. So the bed head will be there. And then it will be about almost a meter from the bed. Now let's check the plug. No, I can't check the plug. Anyway, we'll need to measure and see, make sure the bed head and the two bedside table fit in there. And we can still open the door. So I still have to work all that out. I can mount it here and leave the bed head there with the bedside table. Okay, we'll see. Okay, let's see if the bed head and two bedside will fit on the other side of the bedroom. Let's measure. Bella watching TV. A little cat to give a name. No, be good. She's a bit rough with animals. No. Yeah, cuddle. Yeah. Cuddle. Wants the cat to watch TV. Okay, let's open this aircon, window aircon. See what's inside. What's inside? Okay, that's the one. Okay, I decided the bed will still be in the sun spot there. And then with the bedside table right there. So I think the aircon will go here. And not too high because we can't set this up and down. We can't set this up and down. That's a bummer. Anyway, I need to read this. So it's really made in Philippines. Yeah. They got office in Iloilo, Cebu, Davao, and Cagayan. Nothing Dipolog. This is not telling you how to install, I guess. Anyway, we'll go to YouTube to see how they install this. But I can't put the vent down, only straight. So I may have to install this low. What do you think, guys? Okay, it shows a little bit how best way to install it, but I need to protect it from the sunlight. 50 centimeters from the wall. What's happened?
You filming?
Did you see something?
No.
What do you do? You put your thing down?
I was.
That's okay. No problem. Alright, anyway, I will have to get to watch some video and make sure I can install this properly. And I need to read this. But anyway, before that, I think I decided to put the aircon on the side of the window facing the entrance.
I don't know.
There's a lot of sun in the front and I'm not gonna worry about this because I'm not gonna install now, I guess. Or maybe I am. No, because first I want to know if I got if I'm gonna put some insulation sheet on the new wall. So let's check that first. Let's go to the shed and see what I got left as insulation. I can always buy more, but let's have a look at that first. I got one-sided, some here left. We can use that. Oh, and I got a small roll there, yeah. One-sided as well. That's okay. Okay, I can use that for now. Okay, time for lunch. Fish, salad, tomatoes. Yeah, some rice today. Although bread will be better, but that's okay.
Rice good for, you said you want the
And then I have to take those medication before lunch. Potassium citrate, alkalines. I don't know. Means clean the alkaline. I hope so. And I got this baby. This is every day. I lost one of those. Anyway, let's eat. Okay, I just took my medication. Oh, Bella's so much better with the pimple. So much better. And 2 days ago we didn't buy the medication for 10,000 pesos. Yeah. I don't want to give a name for that, but you know.
You don't want to believe me.
Eh? Amazing. Okay, just finished our live stream, had lunch, I had a nap because when I start having lunch I start getting a little bit of a pain here, so I stop eating straight away, and then about half hour later I was feeling better, feeling good actually. I feel good now. So what's happening with me is that I got a 6 mil stone in the left kidney, and every time I eat or eat too much, that stone is trying to get out of the kidney. It's pushed out, and this is what makes me so sore. I don't pass anything, it's just that stone only, which give me a lot of problems. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take things local and chemist that will dissolve the stone. I don't want to go Manila and spend 100,000 pesos or something. I just can't. So I got to do something to dissolve the stone. So in the meantime, I need to be careful what I eat and how much I eat. That's the thing, how much. I need to eat just lightly, very lightly, drink a lot, and that's okay. And then with a doctor medication and some of the thing I'm going to take for, I'm taking already. I just put the name on the screen because I can never pronounce it, that GMS worker dig out for me. And I'm drinking that. I'm going to show you actually, I got some ready. It's about to drink that. It's called Sibukao, I put the name there. This is a Filipino remedy, and hopefully that will help dissolve the stone or make it smaller so I can pass it. What it tastes like. It's okay. Tastes like timber with that solignum. Anyway, so that's okay. I also drink something else which is for the well-being. It's barley. Yeah, I think you heard about. I got some from New Zealand, so I'm drinking that as well. It looks like the leftover of a cat in the grass, and boil in a pot and drink it. That's what it looks like and tastes like. But apparently it's very, very good for the body. So anyway, that's a bit of an update on my problem. Otherwise, you know, if I don't force my kidney, that's what I found out. I worked out lately. If I don't force my kidney, I'm okay. I'm okay. Like I've been okay for many years with that stone. I got that stone there for many, many years. And it's been resurrected because I think I got a knock there somehow and just moved that stone out of position. I can't give much detail, but it's an accident, and I think that's what happened. So that's it. Now we're gonna go back to the bedroom project. Before that, just let you know that all the fix I did on the tank, water tank, and the system, everything's fine. No leak, everything's good. So let's go back to the bedroom project after I finish this. Okay, let's go back to this bedroom project, and I'm going to put some insulation. Nice to work on the veranda. Okay, let's do the rest after lunch. Okay, to hold the insulation, I will just use some screws, that's it. Lunchtime. Thank you for watching this video. Until the next video, take care, God bless you all. Bye bye.